When I initially came to the practice, I started with obviously x-rays and an evaluation by Dr. Williams, and was proven or shown that I had some severe neck issues that he stated immediately were severe, but that he could fix it. It was just going to take time. So I began with laser treatment, which I probably did, I don't know, 10, 12 of those, and was still not getting the relief that I needed. That was in severe pain and just almost immobilized. And he began decompression. I probably had 6 treatments of decompression. The first 2 I saw a little bit of relief, and then he began to up the weight, and I don't know if I said that the right way, but I have had significant improvement over the last 4 weeks. I've had, I think, 6 total. And the last 4 have just been the difference in daylight and dark. And I no longer have the pain in the leg or the pain in the arm. And just taking Advil a couple times a day, and it has just been remarkable.
I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis 20 years ago. And since then, my symptoms have gotten worse, and I have muscle stiffness and some difficulty with my walking. I was getting chiropractic treatment, and I've had other experiences with chiropractors, but my previous chiropractor in Jersey and also here at Williams, it's been helping me, and I started doing the laser treatment, which I have seen several improvements in some of my symptoms. I know for a fact, like my right leg, if I'm laying on my back in my bed, if my leg was bent, I had to hook my left foot around my right ankle to straighten out my leg. It wouldn't straighten out all by itself. But now, after several treatments with the laser, I am able to straighten out my leg by itself. That was difficult for me to do. I used to struggle, and now, like after the treatments, it's becoming easier.
As far as the treatment that has been very successful for me has been the laser and then the adjustments that are done. But the laser treatment, I just love.
I was having a hard time going downstairs with my knees. I would many times go down backwards because it just was painful. And now I have maybe 98% no pain going down and upstairs, so it's great. It's fantastic. I love it.
I came here for my first visit, and they were very nice, and everybody always has a smile on their face. They're always greeting you, and I was very impressed when I came here, and like I walked in the door and they were like, "Hi, Miss Barbara," and I was like, how do they know me already? And it felt really good.
The staff at Dr. Williams they're genuine, they're giving, they're understanding, they're helpful. They always welcome you with open arms. They're concerned about your life, your well-being. It's true, all of it.
My initial impression of the staff was how compassionate they were and how tolerant they were to hear all of my complaints and all the things that were bothering me. And they would try so hard to help me out. But as soon as I would say that something's hurting or doesn't feel right, they would go into action and change what they were doing, and they would find what would work. And that was just extremely encouraging to know that there's people behind you, working hard to find out what will help you.
My first impression when I came here was, I certainly hope that they can help me, and I was greeted by, "Hello, Miss Nancy," and I'm like, wow, that's really just wonderful. And I just felt very comfortable. I felt like they really cared. There was just a genuine feeling of a pleasant place to be, not only to come as a patient, but I felt that they really enjoyed what they were doing and that they had the well-being of their patients utmost and foremost in their mind on any given day. And that has continued for the 2.5 months that I've been coming. I've not been disappointed in the staff.
My impression of the office is that it is very friendly. Everyone seems to have a very friendly family atmosphere here that works together. I enjoy that about it. They seem to very much care about the patients.
Advice that I might give to someone that is either considering chiropractic care or coming to Dr. Williams' practice is give it time. Don't be impatient.
Really give it a try. I tried everything. I tried all different types of doctors. I tried physical therapy. I tried medication, which would lay me out flat. And didn't really help.
You can't lose anything. It's not invasive. Laser treatment is not painful.
It's not a miracle overnight. It takes time to heal.
Give it a fair shake and give it some time, and I think you'll find good results.